This seemingly innocent piece of fabric, it's a cog in a machine that's consuming our planet. Welcome to the dark side of fast fashion. The global apparel market, valued at a staggering nearly $2 trillion fuels a relentless cycle of consumption. And within that, fast fashion, giants like Shein, H&M, and Zara drive the demand for disposable clothing. We are talking 92 million tons of textile waste ending up in landfills every year. That's the equivalent of a garbage truck full of clothes being dumped every single second. Did you know the fashion industry is responsible for 10% of global carbon emissions? That's more than all international flights and shipping combined. The global apparel industry faces increasing scrutiny for its environmental and social impacts. Water pollution is a significant concern, with the industry consuming 93 billion cubic meters annually, and synthetic textile contributing 35% of ocean microplastic pollution. The human cost is equally concerning. Workers often endure low wages, averaging $3 per day in unsafe conditions. The 2013 Rana Plaza collapse, which claimed 1,134 lives, serves as a stark reminder of the industry's systematic. Brands such as Primark, Mango, and Benetton were among those whose products were traced to the site. The tragedy exposed a model that prioritizes profit over human safety, a model that, despite pledges for change, continues to operate. While the conventional apparel market thrives, the ethical fashion sector, though growing, remains a smaller segment. Brands like Patagonia, Eileen, Fisher, People Tree, pioneers in fair trade fashion. Reformation, known for sustainable practices. Wage are creating sustainable sneakers. Thought Clothing, offering hemp and bamboo options. Fact, focusing on organic cotton. Cotton, working directly with ethical farmers. Everlane, emphasizing transparency. UDGs with organic denim and free repairs, and 10 Tree, planting trees for every item. Prioritize sustainable materials and fair labor practices. However, a significant gap persists. Ethical fashion faces challenges in price competitiveness, accessibility, and consumer awareness. The price disparity, reflecting higher production costs and limited accessibility, compound the issue. Additionally, greenwashing tactics by some large corporations make it difficult for consumers to discern genuine ethical practices. Public awareness is a critical driver for change. Increased consumer knowledge creates pressure for transparency in ethical practices. The rise of second-hand shopping and support for ethical brands demonstrate a shift in consumer behavior. This awareness can compel brands to adopt more sustainable and responsible practices. By supporting ethical brands, demanding transparency, and advocating for policy changes, we can influence the industry's future. Sharing this information is vital. Use platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok to spread awareness. Every informed purchase contributes to more sustainable and equitable fashion. The choices we make today will shape the industry in future. This has been a report on the realities of fast fashion. Thank you for your attention. Please like, share, and subscribe to OneStats. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to OneStats for the news that matters.